how to change camera angle in Higgsfield AI. Open up Higgsfield, use the search bar here, and we just want to search for angles. And you will see angles 2.0, click on that. Now here you can upload your media, so generate new camera angles from a single photo. We're going to click on upload media, and I'm going to use this person which I've generated previously using Higgsfield. So once it has been generated, then you can choose the angles which you want to see from. So here we are just going to adjust this slider. So what do we want to see? And then you will click on generate. This is going to begin generating the different views, and it's going to imagine what it's going to look like from the side, from up, from down, and it's going to come up with different angles for specific pics, which you can then use to upload to videos and get a better idea of the character. So as you can see, we've just changed this to this. Hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.